In this video, we're going to tell you everything that we do here at Slant 3D, because most people don't know. At Slant 3D, we are on a mission to decrease the cost of manufacturing. This is so a kid in a dorm room can create a physical product as easily as they might make something like a YouTube video. 3D printing is the most obvious way to achieve this goal. Unlike any other manufacturing process, 3D printing uses only the two basic manufacturing inputs: the materials and the energy to change those materials into a different shape. And you can contrast this with something like molding, where you have to pay thousands of dollars for a mold to get started, or machining, where you just have all the waste of the chips from subtractive. 3D printing is so efficient and so clearly a better way of making stuff that it's very likely it will replace effectively every other manufacturing process. With that in mind, we are building services that will allow anyone on the planet to make their part scalably, reliably, and affordably. We're giving you 1,000 machines on tap. The very first product is our API. This is for software developers. This is the core of our entire service. A developer anywhere in the world can access our giant print farms for free, which will then allow them to print and ship items directly to customers for them. This might be a video game that wants to send you statues of your avatar. It might be an AI service that generates spare parts for a lawnmower maker. And all of that is able to happen with a single API call to one of the largest 3D printing services on the planet. And yes, we do provide markdown files and one-shot prompts, so in case you're vibe coding something, you can absolutely get access to our API for whatever your application has to be. A great use case of someone using the API is tooltrace.ai, who makes tool insert shadow boxes so that you can just take a picture of a tool and then it will create an insert box that organizes that tool inside of your toolbox, and we will print it and ship you a copy so that you're not tying up your own machinery, or you just can build out your entire shop really quickly and easily. But we understand that not everyone is a software developer or knows how to write code. So the next thing we built was Teleport. Teleport is our e-commerce print-on-demand software. Teleport allows anyone to connect their e-commerce store up to our print farm. And it's enabled by the API, but it allows anybody to connect their Shopify, their Etsy, their WooCommerce, their TikTok shop, whatever it happens to be. They are able to have items printed and shipped as orders come in. And one of the huge advantages of Teleport is that you get the scale of everyone else using Teleport. There are over 12,000 businesses who are using Teleport to print and ship items today. So you get to use the black PLA that was purchased for 10,000 other companies. So you get the most cost-effective and most reliable system out there to grow your business. So rather than packing boxes and running printers all day, you can focus on designing new products and growing your business, knowing that you have the infrastructure of thousands of machines and a large supply chain ready to go so that your orders are delivered quickly, reliably, and really easily. Also, cool thing with Teleport and with all of our services, we have a rule that it is a one-click refund for anything. We've done this because we want to make sure that whatever we are shipping is as good as the client wants it to be. And this means that the client gets to define if we get paid for it. If there is any issue, from a dog ate the part to UPS ran over it to a hurricane sucked it up, we will instantly refund whatever that order is and either replace it or just give you the money back. This is to make sure that whatever we do, our users are protected and know that we are hitting the standards that they want to hold us to. The next thing we built was Portals. Portals is a marketplace feature inside of Teleport that allows anybody to start selling a 3D printed product in 30 seconds. You upload a file, you set the price, and you are now for sale out there on the internet. You do not have to connect any stores. You don't have to set up an Etsy account. You don't have to deal with Shopify. Upload a file, it is for sale. Anyone can now purchase it and they will get the part in the mail. And you can customize your Portals page to match your branding so that you can know that you have an easy spot to share your ideas. You might be designing spare parts for around the house that you just want to monetize over the next 10 years. Or you are probably like a YouTuber or an influencer that designs models, but you don't want to have to deal with running a printing service. So Portals is a great way to just upload a model and then immediately be selling prints of that product. Luke Edwin is a great example of this. He designed all sorts of accessories for for photography, and he's able to sell them through portals without ever having to run a print farm himself, so that people can get access to the awesome accessories that he's creating without having to learn how to be a 3D printer themselves. And Portals handles everything from the taxes to the returns, and of course the printing and shipping, and the customer support and issues if the customers have any of them. It becomes a fully passive marketplace where anyone can sell and immediately get rolling. Okay, that's all the direct fulfillment kind of stuff. You're able to get parts printed and shipped directly to your customers. But that's not the only thing 3D printed parts are used for. Sometimes you need to do more assembly. You might be making the housing for an AI Alexa component, or you might be making a bracket for some larger device or mechanism or machine that you're building, where you just need the part to be available inside of your factory rather than having it shipped to a client. And you want the scale of buying batches of parts. Now, a lot of people have always asked us, are we ever going to build a 3D printer? And we sort of did with the SlantBox. The SlantBox is a box of parts that refills automatically as you use it. This is how it works. You upload a file, you instantly get a quote for that file, and then a box full of parts arrives. As you start using those parts, taking them out one at a time, we track how much inventory you have left over, and when you start to get low, you can just scan a code and that box will be refilled in a week. This is a perfect solution for someone who doesn't want to order 10,000 parts, but doesn't want them one at a time either. SlantBox feeds you dozens, hundreds, maybe up to thousands of parts as you need them, and comes in a modular system to where you can stack them up to the scale that you need. Maybe you need one part a month that you just need available so that you don't have to start up a printer and chase it down. Maybe you need 100 parts every 3 days. You can get SlantBox systems laid out that will give you parts at that rate as quickly as you need them. And it can fit directly into your factory or directly onto your assembly line, so that you don't have to build out 3D printers to just knock out the same part over and over again. You just have the parts delivered to you as they are needed. It's basically a 3D printer, but like way better, because you just have a printer with like infinite scale, because we are technically putting 1,000 3D printers into your one SlantBox. Adjacent to things like SlantBox are our smaller services like Slant FBA, where we will print parts and ship them directly into Amazon warehouses for people. The way you can do this is you go over to the Slant FBA, you upload the main barcodes that you need in the file, again, instantly quotes, and then we will print out the parts and ship them directly to the FBA warehouse when they are completed. So this gives you the ability to have a giant print farm fulfilling through Amazon so that you still have one-day shipping. Lastly, in the production context of all this stuff of making parts, which is not the only thing that we do, but we'll get to that a little bit later, batch production. This is actually where we started. When Slant 3D started, we knew that we had to hit scale. Could we be more affordable than injection molding and still produce hundreds of thousands of parts? So in 2019, when we started, that became the goal. And we became more affordable than injection molding, up to 100,000 parts, back in 2021. But this is where customers will just upload a file and they can instantly be quoted anywhere from 1 to 1,000 pieces, and we will just produce that batch and ship it straight to them. And if they need more, if they need 100,000 or 1 million parts, we can quote that and run through it with them. But since we have thousands of machines available, it gives people access to this production scale, again, without the constraints of molding. You are not setting your design literally into stone. You are not leaving that mold over in China. You are not having to store inventory for months, accruing warehousing costs. You get the parts you need when you need them. And everything we have built at Slant 3D is how to make parts only when people need them, so that e-commerce sellers can scale up without inventory. Manufacturers can only have the parts they need on the warehousing floor to take advantage of really lean manufacturing principles. All of this is about how to make companies more efficient and be able to produce parts and products that are more flexible and more reactive to what customers actually want. Okay, now to the things that aren't really printing parts. That is what we do. We are a parts printer. We're trying to decrease the cost of 3D printed parts as much as possible so anyone in the world can get something made. But in order to do this, we've had some side quests along the way. One of them is Tangled. Tangled is $10 per kg PLA that's made inside of the United States. This started out kind of as a dare where we just wanted to prove that it could be done. We were manufacturing filament for our factory, again, to reduce the cost of parts, but we found out that filament itself was just not being competitive from US suppliers. So we decided to say, okay, we're just gonna make filament ourselves. So we make any material you want, so long as it's black PLA. Tangled sells black PLA. Since then, we have added in other colors and other materials. You can also get our OPM, outdoor performance material, over there that is great as an ABS alternative. We have mainly been using it as a way to expand manufacturing of the raw materials in the States. And this was important to us because since filament is so expensive, it wouldn't allow other print farms to scale up. So we created Tangled to be a supply chain resource for other print farms so that they can get access to really low cost production raw materials so that there can be more of us. In order for Slant 3D to replace injection molding and for 3D printing to really take off, the entire supply chain needs to be hit. So we wanted to create this resource for folks. Along the way in Tangled, we also created the OilStick. And the OilStick is a quick dispensing brush for brushing oil onto the rails of your 3D printer. We understood that we weren't really helping with personal 3D printers, but we had this device that we were using in order to grease all the machines in our factory and realized that it would make life a lot easier for everybody else with their home printers. So we released OilStick a few months ago, and it's had a great response and is a really great tool for people who are looking to maintain their print farm and take care of their existing machines so they don't all break on you all the time. But those two things, Tangled and OilStick, came as a side effect of building this large print farm. And as we continue to solve problems and scale this up more and more, we hope to create more products that will allow the rest of the industry to grow as we grow. Because 3D printing should be a fundamental part of how things are made. And in order to do that, the entire stack, from the raw materials to the machines themselves, needs to be optimized. And wherever we can find a product in there, we will. But for now, I'm sure there will be more things that we will do in the future. We do too much stuff right now, but all of it is about how to make a part cheaper and deliver it faster so that companies do not have to commit the thousands of dollars for molds, and new companies can just start up and try stuff as quickly and easily as possible by just designing something and throwing it up on a portals page to see if anybody wants to buy it. And then as it grows, evolve into teleport where you're connected into a Shopify store. And then from there, you can move into batch production or get slant boxes in to deliver the parts. We are trying to make sure that every business has a way to scale up without having to both build a factory and build the business, and so that no one has to have a print farm in the back if they don't want it. This gives people a chance to focus on their business and grow more and more without having to worry about all the production, and we can continuously force everything that we're doing to make stuff cheaper and better and more efficient at every level of the stack. So if you need any help within your company, organization, or business to help grow up and you need printers or parts made, that's what we do. So check us out over at slant3d.com. Thank you so much to everyone who has been along the way. As you may have noticed, probably the final thing on this video is we also run this YouTube channel where we talk about how to design really good products for 3D printing. Because with a new technology, there's new ways of doing it. When the car comes along, people need to learn how to drive. And we'd figured that this YouTube channel would be a good driving course. Have a great day, everybody.